There's nothing but God in this world. Someone called me up and asked me about devils. That she went down to this Christian Science practitioner who now feels she's now hungry with devils. Well, they teach devils how the devil does this, the devil does that. Are just getting away from the first and great commandment, which is the great commandment, the Shema, the confession of faith in the Hebraic world. The Lord our God is one. The minute you get away from that, you have a devil. There's another God, another creator, another something. And you have two, you're going to have four, you're going to have 8, 16, 32, and so on. Always come back to that fundamental state. There is only God. And God is your own wonderful human imagination. When you say, I am, that's God. There is no other, and never will be another God. And then you'll be clothed in that heavenly garment. And I'm telling you, it's a heavenly garment. I can't describe it other than to tell you, when you glide by and the sea of humanity, imperfect, you do not raise one little finger to change them. No compassion, because they cannot remain that way when you go by. And as you glide by, every one is made perfect. Not one is left out. Doesn't matter what he did to lose his eyes, what he did to lose his arms, to lose his legs, to lose his tongue. It doesn't matter what he did. Everyone is made perfect. That is the kingdom. So it is your Father's good pleasure to give you the kingdom. But the state, you animated it. You made it alive when you entered it. Because you are the only resurrecting power in the world. And that power is your own wonderful human imagination.